What's up, y'all? Y'all know who it is. Y'all know what it is. Your boy JP comes out with another how-to. Today we have a 2008 GMC ACADIA, and I'm gonna show you how to take this busted radio out and install a double din radio. Now, if this is your first time tuning into the channel, please consider subscribing. This is what we do here: car audio tutorials, radio removals, Q&As, all that good stuff. Until, man, let's just go ahead and get into it. First thing you want to do is come down here and you want to pop this part off. It's just one whole piece. So I use my panel removal tool and just kind of get up under there, pop the clips out. All right, so now we got that out. Looks like we have two Phillips, so I'm gonna go ahead and take those two Phillips out real quick. All right, now we got those out. We're just gonna take this out right here and just kind of slide it over to the side. Slide it over to the side like that. And I'm pretty sure that just this, yeah, get some of that little light pressure going. Alright guys, so the whole thing is held down by clips, but they are in here kind of tight. I'm going to have to use two hands for this because I don't want to break anything. Hold on. Alright guys, so yeah, these two clips, there's two clips right here, and on the other side, those were in very tight, but went on ahead and popped those out. The whole thing literally just slides down like that, and then we have 4 7mm, one right here, one right there, one right there, one right there, and shoot, we'll have that radio. Alright y'all, so now that we got those screws out, this thing will just slide out just like that. I'm gonna go ahead and take that out. Take out all these harnesses real quick. Just press the button and pull up. Alright, so y'all see we got that factory radio out. Let's go over here to the bench and get our kit prepped. Alright y'all, so we are here, and I will have all the links to the parts that I'm using in the description, but this is the dash kit. It's the double din dash kit, and it's pretty self-explanatory. It comes with 3 pieces. You got the 1, 2, and 3. With these, they literally just snap on. You put them on the little edge, you put it on the edge, and you just kind of press it. Once you press that on, it stays. Now with this, make sure that the one that's raised is at the top and the one that's flat or lower is at the bottom. Then what you want to do is just take it and put it over your radio like this. So now that looks nice and clean and flush. Then when you come over here, all you gotta do is take your deck screws that came with the radio and screw those in. Alright, so now we have the bolts in on both sides, not the bolts but the screws. Now let's go ahead and get this thing inside the car with our wire harness wired up and get this thing installed. Alright guys, so we have the radio inside the car, we have everything wired up, and I know what you're probably thinking, this is your first time here, like dang, you didn't actually show us how to wire it up. That's the most important part, right? Well, the reason I don't do that anymore is because I have hundreds of radio removal and CD player install videos, and I don't want to actually put another 2 to 5 minutes in each video to show you how to go over the wiring. So I actually made one video to explain about connections, what the wire colors mean, what they do, and all that type of stuff. That video is in the description. And there's also a card, this one broke, there's also a card in the corner that you can click so you can get that information. That way, for the people who know how to wire up a radio, you get what you need in the removal, and the people who don't, you get the removal and you get another resource to see how to wire up a radio. So now that we got that out the way, let me go ahead and put this radio back in the dash, and we'll see what it looks like when it's all said and done. All right y'all, so that's what it looks like when it's all said and done. Now don't forget, all the links to these parts and the radio itself will be in the description. And if you found any type of value in this video, please hit that like button. Don't forget to subscribe, share, comment, all that good stuff. Until next time, this is your boy JP signing out.